You have $2,100,000. You're at the Target checkout. Plain white t-shirt. Jeans. The cashier rings up laundry detergent, store-brand pasta, a box of coffee filters. You pull out your wallet. Cash. She gives you change. You nod. You leave. Nobody looks twice. You're 44 years old. You drive a 2010 Hyundai Elantra with 147,000 miles on it. The back seat has a crack in the vinyl. The AC makes a sound. You haven't fixed it. You work as a mid-level logistics coordinator. $74,000 a year. Same job title for 6 years. Your coworker Dave leased a new BMW last month. Mentioned it 3 times at the Monday meeting. You told him it looked nice. It did. You didn't say anything else. Dave doesn't know your brokerage account has $1,340,000 in index funds. He doesn't know your house is paid off. He doesn't know you've been maxing your 401k since you were 27. That's exactly how you like it. You started with $14,000. 2006, you were 24. Making $39,000 a year at the logistics company. You read one book. The Simple Path to Wealth. One book. You opened a Vanguard account. Set up automatic transfer $600 a month into VTSAX. Total Market Index Fund. Low fee. No picking stocks. No watching charts. $600 a month, every month, automatic. The first year felt like nothing was happening. $7,200 after 12 months. Second year, $15,800. Third year, $26,500. You didn't feel rich. You felt normal. That was the point. You drove a used 2003 Civic. Ate lunch at work. No cable. Your friends thought you were struggling. You weren't struggling. You were building something invisible. Year 5. 2011, account balance, $64,000. The market had crashed in 2008 and you'd watched $31,000 become $18,000 on paper. You didn't sell. You increased the transfer to $800 a month because prices were lower. That one decision alone was worth $190,000 in today's money. Year 8. 2014, you paid off your house. The mortgage was $1,140 a month. You'd been paying $1,800 since 2009. The day it was done, you transferred the full $1,800 to Vanguard instead. Nobody celebrated with you. You made pasta at home and watched a movie. Year 12. 2018, your net worth crossed $1 million. You were in the break room when you checked the app $1,007,440. Carol from accounting was microwaving soup. She asked if you wanted the last of the coffee. You said yes. You poured a cup. You went back to your desk. You understood something most people don't. The number doesn't change who you are. If you were anxious at $14,000, you'd be anxious at $1 million. What changes is the repetition, the same boring decisions, month after month, until they're the only thing you know how to do. Year 18. 2024, $2,100,000. You still pay for everything in cash. Not because you distrust banks. Because cash makes you feel the cost of things. When you pull out a $20 bill, you count it. When you tap a card, you don't. The cash is a system. It's how you've stayed honest with yourself for 18 years. Last Tuesday, a salesman at the car dealership tried to sell you a 2025 pickup truck. $58,000. Financed at 6.9%. $1,100 a month, very manageable, he said. You drove your Elantra home. You ate the leftover pasta. The Elantra runs fine. Dave got laid off in March. Called you the next day, stressed about the BMW payment. You listened. You told him things would work out. They will. But you didn't say what you were thinking. You've been thinking it for 18 years. The money doesn't shout. That's the whole strategy. It doesn't shout and it doesn't sleep and it doesn't care that Dave has a BMW payment. It just compounds. Quietly. Every single day. You have $2,100,000. Nobody knows. That's exactly how you built it. Subscribe. I post a new story every single day.